This video is just going to cover trim and extend tools. Okay, so these tools will become very useful while you're making your sketches as you're creating something and you notice that you have some missing lines. You go over it. It does allow a little bit of free leniency as you're sketching, because then you don't have to worry about all of your pieces mating correctly, or maybe you made a mistake and you have to clear it up and you don't want to delete an entire line, stuff like that. It's very simple. So this is going to be trim. Let me turn off continuous auto dimensioning so it doesn't get dirty. And let's say you sketch something like that, right? Obviously, it'll probably be a bigger problem if you're making something. More likely is you're eyeballing your sketch, and you have to end up sketching something like this, and you'll have these two overlaps. So all you have to do to get rid of that, very simple, press T. T for trim. You can also go into here, but it's good just to learn the shortcut T for quick trim, and you just click the lines that you want to delete. Very, very simple. Okay. Now let's say that I'm just going to delete something. Delete some lines. Okay. Now for extend just cleans up that gap. So we just press E for quick extend. You can do it in here, but it's good to learn the shortcuts. And you don't have to worry too much about these menus because extend and trim are pretty smart tools, so they'll pretty much do the job for you. And now this is one line. Okay. That's all you have to do for extend and quick trim. It's a very simple tool, but very powerful for when you're making mistakes. That's a good thing for you to know.